Keep going, and 3, 2, 1, pull. There we go. All right, who's next? Who's next? You need a bottle. All right. And yeah, why don't we rotate? Why don't you hop in line and we'll let somebody else pump down?
No, I'll do it.
No. Go ahead and hop in line there. We're going to trade off so that people do different things. You don't want to be pumping the whole time anyway because then you wouldn't get to shoot. All right.
And besides,
Okay, go ahead and start pumping. All right. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow, that was high.
There it goes. Yeah. All right. Okay. Ooh, this one's probably going to go pretty high. And I think it's perfect. Yeah, let him go and pump it a couple times and then let somebody else pump. All right. So we're locking that in. Good job. Okay. And move out of the way of the string. Okay. Pump in. And get ready. 3, 2, 1, launch. Pull.
Whoa! Where'd it go? Whoa!
There we go. Awesome. All right. We'll go ahead and feed this right up there.
And then the empty
And
one.
push it in really far.
And then
Okay, here. Grab that. Oh, here. Let me go and grab that, buddy.
Then
There we
he's
go.
going to do the empty
All right.
one.
Let's get this locked up.
So he has a
All right. Okay. You're going to need to come right over here. Just look at how it's straight out from the bottle. Who's next? Come on over. Come grab the, well, we're in line though. Grab the string. You ready? Don't pull it yet. Oh, it's not even locked in yet. Okay, hold on. All right, pressurize.
Wait, can we make pressurize a little bit?
All right, and pull.
Oh, right on my head.
Right on your noggin.
Okay, it's my turn.
Here, let me.
It's my turn. Can I?
Hold on.
What's that?
There we go. You could, absolutely. That'd be a big help. There we go. Well, you gotta get through these 2 holes right here.
Oh yeah.
You see, and that's what's gonna, see, that's keeping it from opening up until we've got the pressure. Go ahead and pressurize. There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More. And 3, 2, 1, pull.
Whoa! Whoa! Where'd it go?
Right by you. All right. And who's next? Grab the string. Oh, don't pressurize yet. Not while I'm still pushing this in. All right.
Matt, don't do that.
Let's push through these holes there.
Good.
All right. And start pressurizing. Don't pull on the string yet. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Put any more in. And 3, 2, 1, pull.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a tree.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's going out.
Oh, yes, it survived. All right.
It's right. Wait, let's do
Who's next in line to pull the string?
Let's do a water bottle without water in it.
No, no water bottles without water. That's dangerous.
When it comes down.
Thomas, can you move out of there? Thanks, bud.
Wait, can we do a water bottle without water in it?
No. All right, and pressurize.
Yes, it will.
Pressurized. It would probably go, but we're not going to do it. Keep going. And, oh, you got to push harder on it. There you go. Yeah, put your feet right there to give it pressure. Now you go. All right, and 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that went high. I don't know, is it going to
Yeah.
That I think what?
That was pretty high.
Okay, his turn.
All right. We get a new turf. Oh, don't spin. Oh, every time we do that, you guys, you're actually unscrewing it from the thing it's attached into down there, which is, it can end up pulling out and then we don't have a pump anymore. So don't spin the handle. All right. There we go. Let's lock this in place. All right, and pressurize. Pressurize. Yep, go.
Thomas, can I help?
Yeah, you can help. Keep going. Put a little more in.
One looks very good.
Yeah. All right, and 3, 2, 1, pull. Oh, look at that. All right. Who's next?
I am.
Yeah. All right.
Here you go.
Oh, let's put a little more water in than this than that. Here, let me trade it for this one. We'll put a little more in. Oh, here, no, I'm going to use this one right here.
The launching bottle only holds this 0 times. Can you hold the water bottle right while you hold it, you hold the water bottle and I...
And pressurize.
Kylie, get out of the way, sweetie. Yeah, good girl.
All right, and 3, 2, 1, pull. All right. These are landing in a nice tight area.
Yeah, mine are weird. That one was a nice one, right, guys?
All right.
Stop down to the...
Yeah, you don't want to put that much water in it. It won't go very high. All right.
Okay, so let's just put a drip in it.
Lock this in.
That's enough.
All right. And pressurize. Push and push, push, push.
That's push.
All right. And 3, 2, 1, launch.
Head. Oh.
They're going straight up. Straight up and straight down. Because the wind died for us. All right. All right, and pressurize. Keep going. And 3, 2, 1, pull. Hey!
Woo! Nice catch.
Good job. And pressurize. And 3, 2, 1, pull. No, there's only so high we can get it up to. About 30 psi is about all we can do. Alright, you gotta loosen up a little bit. A little bit more. Alright, and pressurize. We're almost there, keep going. And 3, 2, 1, pull! Alright, who's next? We're almost done launching rockets. Don't pressurize. Don't pressurize now. I can't get it in with the pressurize now.
Nick, don't do that yet.
Okay. And pressurize. Hold the string a little bit. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, pull.
Oh, that didn't trick.
Oh, there's no way it's gonna make through all those branches.
No, it's stuck.
No. Oh, we finally lost one.
No.
All right, what time?
No, I'm in front of you. Yeah, it's stuck up there.
I'm standing right here, bud. That wasn't very nice.
Did somebody throw something? Oh, that's a really bad idea. You have to look where you're going. Okay, we're gonna launch one last rocket. Okay. All right.
Stop jumping. I want to do.
Pressurize. No, we're just gonna do one more rock.
I didn't get to do it.
You haven't launched a rocket yet? Oh, well then, Kaylee, you have. Why don't you let him launch it?
You're the first one that. Yeah, you're
All right. But everybody else has done twice, right?
No, I only went once.
You only have to do one.
I only went
Okay.
once.
And pressurize.
I never got to
Push. And 3, 2, 1, pull. Did it go to the moon?
Yes.
I can kind of pump, but you definitely helped lots of stuff. All right, everybody else collect all the materials.
I have a